A woman has the age she deserves. A woman who doesn't wear perfume has no future. I don't know why women want any of the things men have when want the things that women have as men. Look for the woman in the dress. If there is no woman, there is no dress. Dress shabbily and they remember the dress. Dress impeccably and they remember the woman. A woman is closest to being naked when she is well dressed. If a man talks bad about all women, it usually means he was burned by one woman. There goes a woman who knows all the things that can be taught and none of the things that cannot be taught. Fashion is not something that exists in dresses only. Fashion is in the sky, in the street. Fashion has to do with ideas, the way we live, what is happening. Fashion is made to become unfashionable. The best things in life are free. The second best things are very, very expensive. Fashion is architecture, it is a matter of proportions. It is unseen, unforgettable, ultimate accessory of fashion that heralds your arrival and prolongs your departure. There is no fashion for the old. I don't do fashion, I am fashion. I like fashion to go down to the street, but I can't accept that it should originate there. I was the one who changed, it wasn't fashion. I was the one who was in fashion. Fashion fades, only style remains the same. In fashion, you know you have succeeded when there is an element of upset. A fashion that does not reach the streets is not a fashion. Don't spend time beating on a wall, hoping to transform it into a door. In order to be irreplaceable, one must always be different. Guilt is perhaps the most painful companion of death. How many cares one loses when one decides not to be something but to be someone. Those who create are rare, those who cannot are numerous. Therefore, the latter are stronger. Great loves too must be endured. Material things aside, we need no advice but approval. There is no time for cut and dried monotony. There is time for work, and time for love. That leaves no other time. Elegance is refusal. Elegance does not consist in putting on a new dress. Luxury must be comfortable, otherwise it is not luxury. Some people think luxury is the opposite of poverty. It is not. It is the opposite of vulgarity. As long as you know men are like children, you know everything. Jump out the window if you are the object of passion. Flee it if you feel it. Passion goes, boredom remains. Nature gives you the face you have at 20, it is up to you to merit the face you have at 50. Since everything is in our heads, we had better not lose them. Success is often achieved by those who don't know that failure is inevitable. The most courageous act is still to think for yourself, aloud. There are people who have money and people who are rich. The best color in the whole world is the one that looks good on you. Youth is something very new. 20 years ago no one mentioned it. Scheherazade is easy, a little black dress is difficult.